disturbing bit of news which is coming in from Uttar Pradesh. We are shifting focus to it. After data on increased rapes in Uttar Pradesh, after the heinous Bulandshahr gang rape, now a video has gone viral. In this video, a local SP Neta is seen threatening traffic cops who had seized her car parked in the no parking zone. Well, the SP leader is heard saying that she will go on a hunger strike. She even dares the cops to challan her.
मैं नहीं जानता हूँ।
गुंडागर्दी आ गई है तुम लोगों को।
गुंडागर्दी मैं कहाँ कर रहा हूँ मैडम, वो तो आप कर रहे हैं।
अब चालान भी करो, मेरा भी चलो करवाओ। कहता हम गुंडागर्दी कर रहे हैं, हम मवालीगिरी करते हैं, अब करवाओ हमारा।
वो तो साहब से आपको बात करनी पड़ेगी ना।
साहब कौन है, उनको बुलाओ। चलो
आप 2 मिनट बैठिए, मैं फोन कर रहा हूँ मैडम, आप क्यों टेंशन ले रही हैं?
कैसे गाड़ी हमारी?
अरे
तो हिम्मत कैसे हो गई? जानकारी करवा करो कौन किसी गाड़ी।
ऐसा नहीं है ना मैडम, मैं जानकारी नहीं करूँगा, मैं जानकारी नहीं करूँगा। नो पार्किंग में वहाँ गाड़ी खड़ी होगी, उठाऊंगा मैं।
ये जानता है मैं कौन हूँ?
अरे हम जानते, वो नहीं जानते।
ये नहीं जानता तो
एक मिनट
रुकिए मैडम, आप शांत रहेंगी 2 मिनट।
हाँ ठीक है,
1 मिनट मैडम,
रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहे हो, ये अच्छा नहीं कर रहे हो तुम लोग।
नहीं आप करिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, आप करिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
अगर जानते ये आपकी गाड़ी।
मैंने बुलाया अंदर।
चलो आप
तो बताओ। ये बदतमीजी इस तरह से बोला, गुंडा
मैंने आपको कुछ बोला है? मैं तो आपको बोल ही नहीं रहा हूँ। अरे तुम हटो यार बीच में, आप हटो बीच में से।
ये गुंडा करने का।
हाँ सर, जरा ऑफिस आइए 2 मिनट। आप 2 मिनट बैठिए, आप 2 मिनट बैठिए।
Well, in fact, let's go across to our editor, Geeta Mohan, who's joining us with the very latest run. And that one sentence of her, Geeta, really sums up this entire incident, where you can hear the SP Neta asking, "Aapko pata hai main kaun hu? Do you know who I am?"
Well, that's the culture, Meghna. We're seeing time and again this arrogance of a certain section in India and Indian society, where people come out and think that they can do whatever they want to and that they own the country. She was in the wrong. She had parked her vehicle in a no parking zone, and the officer was right in having towed the vehicle and going to the police to the station and then raising a ruckus goes to show the kind of attitude people have with a little bit of power and clout, the kind of attitude and weight that they start throwing around. This requires for reactions from the political parties, and from the political party that she claims to belong to, as to what is it and will this be allowed to continue in the manner in which it is continuing in the country. This is not the first instance, Meghna. We have been seeing the growing arrogance and incidents of arrogance of these people who think they are powerful and they're allowed to do what they want to. This is yet another case,
right.
And the video is actually quite disturbing given the language she's using with an officer and the manner in which she's speaking to the officer.
But here's the problem. If Netas themselves are seen brazenly breaking laws, perhaps that's the reason why the criminals themselves are emboldened, and the statistics are there of gang rapes, of murders and abductions to prove it.
Well, absolutely. There is a larger question that needs to be asked with regards to why is it that certain states have not been able to rein in the criminal elements in their own states. We've seen, only taking one example, and that of Uttar Pradesh, Meghna, the growing incidents of crime against women, of crimes per se, in terms of loot and robbery, have absolutely increased in the state, and nothing much is being done. Also, the many instances that we've been noticing and seeing of involvement of people who are involved or part of a political family, and that goes to...
Geeta, request you to stay with us. Vikram Singh is also joining us, a former DGP. Mr. Singh, what do you make of it? On your screens, we can see visuals of an SP Neta bullying the police. This goes to show how Khaki too is bullied by Khadi.
Arrogance at its worst. And if this is not undesirable act, then what is? The ruling party is expected to mentor, guide, and provide a roadmap for the Khaki and not to bully and belittle them. this bullying tactics will be counterproductive, not only for the police, but the public at large, and also for the Samajwadi Party cadres, because they should realize that the police is for the public good. It is for the good of the society and for their good also. Every time you belittle the police and the uniform, you do a disservice to the police and for a national cause. And therefore, they would be well advised to respect the rule of law, the khaki, the uniform, and the police stations.
But Mr. Singh, here's the problem. We've been talking about rising gang rapes. We've been talking about rising abductions and murders. If the netas themselves don't think twice before breaking a law, this woman had parked in a no parking zone, why would the criminals think twice?
Where ignorance is bliss, 'tis folly to be wise. The Samajwadi Party cadres have never covered themselves with glory when it comes to respecting the rule of law, the discipline and the morale of the police. To the contrary, they feel that they go on an ego trip every time they go in for khaki bashing, and this is so very tragic. They should realize that it is closing bells for them. They still have some time to make amends, but if they do not, they will be relegated to posterity for all times to come, and they can forget coming back to power again.
Well, in fact, if I can also bring in Geeta Mohan, a quick clarification. Do we know who this lady is? Do we have clarity as to what kind of a position she holds within the Samajwadi Party?
Well, not really. We do not have a clarity on her position, but the video itself goes to show that she claims to be someone important or from a political family and a part of the Samajwadi Party. Meghna, we will be getting details of her identity, as also which family does she really belong to. We do know that she has already said that she's a part of the Samajwadi Party, so we'll have to wait and see what the party is going to do in terms of reacting to the story, as also in terms of taking action against such people who claim to be part of a particular party, and in that show the kind of arrogance that they're showing. Like Mr. Vikram Singh said, this is arrogance at its worst.
Well, in fact, Geeta, I request you to do